In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up video on CapCut PC. If you need to fast forward through a long process, speed up a slow clip, or move quickly through repetitive footage, CapCut makes it really simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest way to increase the speed of a video clip on your PC so you can make your edit feel faster, cleaner, and more efficient. To begin, direct your attention to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Find the exact video clip you want to speed up, then click once directly on that clip in the timeline. When it's selected properly, you'll see a thick white outline appear around the clip block. That border is your confirmation that CapCut is now targeting that specific clip and it's ready for adjustments. It's a small detail, but it matters, because if the clip isn't selected first, the speed controls won't affect the video you want. Once the clip is selected, move your focus to the top right area of the CapCut workspace. There, click on the tab labeled Speed. This opens the speed controls for the selected clip. Under that section, make sure the Normal option is selected. This is important because the Normal setting lets you adjust the overall playback speed using a straightforward multiplier. It's the simplest and most direct way to speed up an entire clip evenly from start to finish. Now you're ready to increase the playback speed, look for the number input box next to the word times. By default, this usually shows 1.x, which means the clip is playing at its original speed. Click inside that box, delete the current value, type 2.0, and then press Enter on your keyboard. That will immediately double the speed of your video clip. If you need the clip to move even faster, for example to skip through something repetitive or shorten a long waiting section, you can enter a higher value such as 5.0 or more. As soon as you apply the new speed, look back down at the timeline. You'll notice the clip becomes shorter and compresses inward. That visual change shows CapCut has successfully sped up the footage. And that's it. With just a few quick clicks, you've selected your clip, opened the speed settings, and manually entered a faster playback value. This is one of the quickest ways to control pacing in your edit and save time when